Biryani is always special and a festive dish which everyone loves. Today, we will make a flavorful fish biryani. It's always better to use fish with less bones to make biryani. So here I have taken salmon. It's really delicious and mouth-watering. So we will make this in 3 easy to follow steps. First, we will marinate and fry the fish pieces, and then we will make the gravy or the masala, and then we will prepare the rice, and finally we'll layer it all together. Welcome to Soundfx, the world of simple quick recipes. For step 1, we will marinate and fry the fish pieces. So here I have taken 500 gram of salmon and I have cut into proper pieces, and side portions and all I have removed and kept so that we can add that to the gravy later. For marinating, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and half a teaspoon each of crushed ginger and garlic. Add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add a little bit of oil or water to make it to a paste. Now apply it to the fish pieces and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now for frying the fish, keep a heated pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can also add vegetable oil, but coconut oil gives a very good flavor. Now add the marinated fish pieces and fry each side for about 4 minutes. So when one side is fried, flip to the other side and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. So now remove the fried fish pieces and keep it aside. So now the second step, we will prepare the masala or the gravy. For that, add 2 chopped onions to the same oil where we fried the fish. Then add 2 teaspoons each of crushed ginger and garlic, 1 chopped green chili, and just saute it all. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped, salt to taste, and saute it for 2 minutes. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 tablespoons of garam masala and 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. To this, add the small fish pieces which we kept aside before. This will give a great flavor to the gravy, and mix it all together. Now add a handful of chopped mint and coriander leaves. Mix it and add 2 tablespoons of water and just cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So it is somewhat thick now. If you want it to be a little bit loose, you can add a bit of hot water. So next, the step 3, we'll prepare the rice. To a heated pot, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add the whole spices. So for this, I'll add 2 to 3 bay leaves, 4 or 5 cardamoms, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, and 3 or 4 cloves. Now add washed and drained basmati rice, 3 cups. No need to soak it before. And now keep it on medium to high heat and just stir it to remove any excess water. So it takes around 2 minutes. And now add 5.5 cups of water. So here I have taken like half a cup less than double of the rice. So mix it well. Add salt and then add 1 tablespoon of the fish sauce or gravy which we have prepared before, because that gives a very good flavor to that rice. And now add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Mix them all well and taste and see whether the salt is enough. Always the salt should be a little bit upfront, and if it's not sufficient, just add at this stage. And now allow it to boil on a high heat, and once it is boiled, Reduce the heat to medium and cover and cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can fry some nuts and onions for garnishing. So to a heated pan, add the ghee and add 15 to 20 split cashew nuts and stir till it is slightly brown. Remove it and keep aside. The same you can do with the seedless raisins. And be careful, the heat should be on medium. And now add a little bit more ghee and add one thinly sliced onion and fry it properly. And meanwhile, it's 10 minutes and now we can check the rice. So it's done. You can see that there is no water remaining. So now remove the rice from heat and keep it aside. So check whether the onions are done. So now it is fine. It's ready for garnishing. So keep it aside. So for the last step is we will do the layering of the biryani. To a large pot, add a little bit of ghee, and then first I'll add a bit of a gravy, and then place 3 or 4 pieces of the fish, and on top of that layer it with the rice. And now I'll add a little bit of turmeric water. It's just some turmeric powder mixed with some water. It gives a really good color when you mix the rice. And add some more gravy. And add some mint leaves as well as coriander leaves. You can add a little bit more. Now add a little bit of lemon juice. And some fried onions. And again layer it with the rice. And repeat the same layering as before. And now keep the remaining fish pieces and add some more of the gravy, and finally add a bit of rice on the top just to cover the fish. And for the top layer, add the fried cashews, raisins and the fried onions, and also the mint and coriander leaves. Now close the lid and keep it on a very low heat, the lowest heat as possible, for 10 minutes. So now the biryani is ready. So you can serve it. Take the fish pieces and the rice with some garnished cashews and all. It's better to keep the fish pieces to one side before mixing the rice and the gravy, just to prevent the fish pieces from breaking. And you can see that the turmeric water which we have added has given a nice yellow color to the rice in between. So it's really delicious and a flavorful biryani, and you can serve it with any yogurt salad as well as the pickle. So please do try and let us know how it turned out. We are really happy to hear your comments. So please subscribe to our channel and see you with the next video. Bye.